Hello students, this is lecture 16 based on first unit for the subject digital signal processing. So in this lecture we are going to discuss FIR linear phase realization. In previous lecture we took this same topic, but the sample number of samples was even. Okay, so in this lecture we are going to take the when the number of samples are odd. Okay, so or I can write FIR linear realization when number of samples are odd. Okay, so if you remember last time we discussed about this, if the n is odd or m is odd, number of samples are odd, so for that case the representation of transfer function is hz equal to h m minus 1 by 2, where is m is total number of samples. Okay, so this m minus 1 by 2 is your middle value. Okay, जो सिंगल वैल्यू आएगी, सो उसे हमने एज इट इज़ लिख लिया उस मिडल वैल्यू को, क्योंकि वो सिंगल होगी. सो वी हैव टेकन दिस एंड m minus 1 by 2. Okay, and the rest are will have two values. These two value have the same value. Okay, so summation of n equal to 0 to, that is m minus 3 by 2 hn z to the power minus n plus z to the power minus m minus 1 minus n. Okay, so we use this formula. Okay, so for example let's m equal to 5. Okay, so m equal to 5 is a odd number. So for m equal to 5, for linear phase condition क्या होती थी हमारी, that is hn equal to h m minus 1 minus n. So if m equal to 5, so for n equal to 0, h 0 equal to h, that is 5 minus 1 minus n, and n की वैल्यू क्या है 0, so that is equivalent to h4. So h0 equal to h4. For n equal to 1, that is h1 equal to h m minus 1 minus 1, so that is equivalent to h3. So h1 equal to h3. For n equal to 2, that is your h2, and again you solve, that will be h2. So h2 will be a single value, जिसे हमने इस फॉर्मूले में के अकॉर्डिंग देखे तो उसे सिंगल लिखा है, बाकी सबको हमने इस फॉर्म में लिखा है. सो यू कैन सी हियर. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. ओके, उसके थ्रू क्लियरली जो प्रॉब्लम है वो सॉल्व आउट हो जाएगी, और we can solve this problem also. Suppose for this particular equation, okay, so I'm going to change the color. Suppose we have this equation. Okay, so now let's take the value of n, or just take the inverse Z transform of this function. Okay, so if you remember, okay, just forget it about it. We will start with the example. Okay, so suppose for example we have realize a linear phase FIR filter with the following impulse response. So the impulse response is given. Okay, and that is given by the this Hn equal to delta n plus 1 by 2 del n minus 1 plus 1 by 4 del n minus 2 plus del n minus 4 plus 1 by 2 del n minus 3. Okay, so this impulse response is given. Now we have to solve this problem. Okay, so first of all, the function is given in the form of Hn. Okay, so just take the inverse just take the Z transform of, let's see, this is equation 1. So take the Z transform of equation 1. So after taking the Z transform, Hn becomes Hz del n का क्या होता है 1 plus 1 by 2 del n minus 1. Okay, so single shifted over there, so 1 by 2 Z inverse, same 1 minus 4 Z to the power minus 2 plus Z to the power minus 4 plus 1 by 2 Z to the power minus 3. Okay, so that will be your Z transform of the equation 1. Okay, now here you can see here, if I talk about the number of samples, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so just write it down here. Number of samples are m equal to 5, that is odd number. Okay, so for odd we know this equation. Okay, clear? So we have taken one example for m equal to 5 here. So from here you can find out this h0 equal to h4, h1 equal to h3 and h2 is single. So same we will do in this section. Okay, so this equation 2 we can write from equation 2. Okay, we can write h z equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 Z inverse minus 1 by 4 Z to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 2 Z to the power minus 3 plus Z to the power minus 4. Okay, so h0, h1, h2, h3, h4. So or we can write this hz equal to Now in this above you can say h naught equal to h4. So we can take this h naught h4 together. Okay, so in this equation you can see here h naught value is 1. Okay, and this h4 value is z to the power minus 4. So we can take this value together. Okay, so I am just multiplying 1 into something is equal to 1, particular this function. Okay, now second one, h1 equal to h3. So we can take these two terms together. So just taking common 1 by 2 z inverse plus z to the power minus 3. Okay, and h2 remain single value, so 1 by 4 z to the power minus 2. Clear? So now we can draw this, or we can realize this function. Okay, so we can write this is equivalent yz upon xz. Okay, so when you took this inverse z transform, so yn equal to, or you can multiply this yz equal to 1 plus z to the power minus 4 plus 1 by 2 z to the power minus 1 plus z to the power minus 3. Okay, so just take this plus, this minus 1 by 4 z to the power minus 2 multiply with xz. Okay, so when you take the inverse z transform, you will get this yn equal to one plus x n minus 4 1 by 2 is common, this x n minus 1 plus x n minus 3. The last one is a 1 by 4 x n minus 2. Okay, so we have to draw this realization. Okay, so we can implement. So yn equal to, इसे easily form में लिखना चाहें तो we can write first term is 1 plus x n minus 4. Okay, second term is 1 by 2 is common, x n minus 1 plus x n minus 3, second term, and the third term is 1 by 4 x n minus 2. Okay, so let's see, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So now we have to draw all these 3. So let's see, for first one, yn equal to xn. So xn is your input. Okay, so that should be xn. Okay, when you multiply this xz, so that will be xn. Okay, so it will be xn. So xn directly आ गया. सेकेंड क्या आ रहा है, xn minus 4. Okay, so let's just draw the so z inverse, z inverse, z inverse, it takes another z inverse. Okay, so you will get x n minus 1 over here, x n minus 2, here you will get x n minus 3, and here you will get x n minus 4. So you want to add this xn with xn minus 4. Okay, so just put the adder over here. So xn माइनस 4 यहाँ से आया, xn यहाँ से आया, और यहाँ से कहीं से हमारा जो ये वाला टर्म है फर्स्ट वाला, ये मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ फर्स्ट. क्लियर. नाउ दिस फर्स्ट इज एडिंग विथ दिस सेकेंड वन. सो सेकेंड वन क्या है, 1/2 एक्स एन माइनस 1. सो एक्स एन माइनस 1 वी गॉट हेयर, प्लस एक्स एन माइनस 3, so we got here. So we have to add these two over here. ओके, और थोड़ा अच्छे से बना लेते हैं हम. We have received this plus sign over here and connected over. So, and from here we are getting this this value is multiplying with this 1/2. Okay, so and this is adding somewhere here. So I'm just, let's put one multiplier over there. This multiplier is okay, so this is 1/2 multiplier. So and this one is adding with this one. So एक adder चाहिए जो हमें first और second को add करेगा. Now in the case of this one, minus 1/4 is multiplier x and minus 2. Okay, so we are getting x and minus 2 from here. Okay, so x and minus 2 is multiplying with the, so I can take from here. Okay, so or just the multiplier is 1/4, and from here you are getting this yn value. Okay, so in this way you can draw this realization. So this is the final realization for when the m is odd value. Clear? Okay, so thank you students.